Hey guys, so in today's video, we're gonna be installing wheel locks to the Challenger. So if you don't know what wheel locks are, they're basically meant to protect your rims from people trying to steal them. You know, most of the time it happens at night. Um, People go out, steal rims, and then in the morning you wake up and they're gone. So wheels are not cheap, cost a lot. So when you buy it, it's gonna come with one key and then four of these. Each one will go to a rim, and that's how it'll be locked basically. And with the key, you could unlock it and take out the rim if you ever need to replace it, or if you ever get a flat. And another thing, in the back, I'll give you a piece of paper. In that paper, it comes with a code, just in case you end up losing the key. You send this paper through the mail, and on the paper itself it has a number, and that number will go for the type of key you have. Everyone has their own different kind of keys, so they won't be the same. I feel like this is something everyone should get for their car, because rims are not cheap, and especially if you have custom ones, you want to protect them and make sure criminals don't take them. Now, I've seen videos on YouTube of how to remove this, and it can happen, but the thing is, it takes too long and it makes too much noise. So, like, a criminal at night, he's not gonna want to spend too much time trying to take these out, while he could go to another car and just take those rims easily. On my old Challenger, where I woke up one morning, went to my car, and basically the car in front of my car got its rims taken away, and mine didn't. And that's because I feel like that's because I had these on my old Challenger, and that's why they didn't decide to take my rims. So I'm going to take out one of them. Doesn't matter which one, just take out one and add one of these to it. So first, just use your fingers, keep going, and then at the end you want to use the key to make it tight. All right, I can't go anymore, so now I'm gonna use the key to make it tighter. So they accidentally gave me the wrong one. They gave me a Durango one, so I had to go and return it and get the right one for the Challenger. So those numbers, that's the right one for the Challenger. The other numbers were for a Durango. It was a mistake, nothing crazy. So I just returned it, and they gave me a new one, and then that's it. So I'm gonna go back home and set up. So this one you could tell actually goes in. The other one was sticking out like up to here still, and I'm like, oh wait, something's wrong. See how it locks? This is the key for this one. So like that, and then you just well, there you go, guys. It's pretty easy. I feel like this is something everyone should get on their cars, so people don't steal them. And well, that said, just follow me on Instagram. and have a great day.